How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to turn off read receipt on WhatsApp. So for that, just simply open your WhatsApp account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your WhatsApp account, all you have to do is just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the mobile screen, and from there just simply go to the settings option. And now just simply click on privacy from the list of the menu over here, and on this page you will be able to see the option called read receipt, and it says if turned off you won't send or receive a read receipt, and read receipts are always sent for group chats as well. So in order to turn that off, just simply toggle the bar and your read receipts are turned off. So this is basically how simple it is to turn off read receipt. So this is basically how simple it is to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.